Hi, Deadlocks here again. And today we were doing the Mrs. Deadlocks Does a Thing video where Mrs. Deadlocks escapes from the HIATT fold rigid cuffs with the triple power locking mechanism. And I found out that Mrs. Deadlocks is ridiculous.
How am I ridiculous?
Stick your hands out. Right. You might have noticed I've put the keyways facing in over. Get out of those cuffs.
What?
Right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right.
The handle was swelled from doing it earlier as well. You can do it on 4. But I've been doing it a while.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Use your head.
Use my head.
Yeah.
That hurts my head. Ah! Ugh, swear words. That's the same amount.
I can do it on small if my hands being all red and swollen because I've been doing it for about
So yeah.
an hour.
That's the intent of putting them backwards from it.
Do you want his hand?
Got it. Probably good. I'm gonna go get it, can't we?
It's not my fault. And if you put them on any tighter, I have no room on my wrists.
Ridiculous.
How am I ridiculous? It's called hypermobility. I can dislocate my joints. I can do weird things like bend my joints in weird ways and bend my thumb all the way backwards. And
So yeah, Mrs. Deadlocks may not have successfully got out of these cuffs by picking them.
better
But
get out
she
with them in
slips out of them
seconds.
anyway.
It's not my fault. 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure I can get back in on a 4.
I mean, it's not loose.
I'm just jealous because if I get caught by people, I might get out very quickly and be able to escape. If caught with these, then I'd use these as a weapon.
You're always thinking of weapons.
Because if you get caught and someone's handcuffed your knees and you've managed to slip, these are gonna conk you on the head really good and proper.
Did you just say the F word?
No. So if you get caught with these, I don't think I swore.
You did.
I don't think I did.
Yeah,
Can
basically.
you see my face? Okay then. Oh,
Why not?
I don't want people to see my face.
People have already seen you.
And I don't like being on camera.
You do know that you escaped by putting handcuffs on your head.
Yeah.
And they've seen your face.
Yeah, but still. It's not my fault.
Yeah. Anyway, Mrs. Deadlocks is ridiculous. That's all from us.
I'm not ridiculous.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yeah.
No. I just have a talent for escaping things. Without opening them with keys or locks. Thanks. Just jealous because you can't do it.
Uh-huh. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
Hang on. We did it.
I think you got a bit too excited.